right, we're gonna let Facebook do its thing. So I got some folks tagged already. See if it'll tag any more of my teammates. Um, Tag there. Tori, Stephanie. Okay. So, hello, everyone. Good afternoon, Buchanan, Stacy. Daryl. Good afternoon, Karen. Bishop Tara, what's going on in Augusta, Georgia? Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa. We are in day 2. I always have a hard time pronouncing this one. Kugala, or Kala, something like that, how you say it. Day 2 of Kwanzaa. So, very, very happy and excited. Just, hey, Nicholas, long time no see, honey. Uh, let's see. He's not on yet. Okay. So, just waiting on him to hop on. What you been up to, Mr. Photographer and Mr. Entrepreneur and the Positive Vibe shirts? Do you still, I don't see, I guess you kind of took a hiatus from Facebook because I hadn't seen your post or anything. I don't get on Instagram a whole lot. Although I probably need to learn how to better utilize my Instagram account. It's managing your social media digital platforms is a job in itself. Promise you. All right, here goes my co-host on our brother, Mr. Sherrod from the Shy Town. How old is your baby now? Your Nikita, and then your youngest baby. I know you got another baby too. The Mind Game page. Okay, is that your Facebook? Facebook, the Mind Game page, or is that on Instagram? Which platform? Are you on, Sherrod? It says adding. Hey, Jerome Mason Sr. So I guess it's just moving a little slowly. We're waiting for him to come on. What's today? Thursday? 12, and baby girl will be 1. All right. Naida like being a big sister? Okay, that's your Facebook. Okay. No answer from the live video guest. Okay. So I guess we'll have to wait and see again for him to send a request. We're experiencing technical difficulties with social media and technology, right? Because it doesn't always work all the time. Approve. Adding. Okay, let's try it again. It's a mind game. Okay. So I will follow you on IG as well as like your Facebook page. Facebook don't want me to be great. Oh, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. Just preparing to go visit my mom here soon in the Bay Area, and trying to educate people with financial literacy and about credit repair and about lowering their taxes. So, getting out of debt and lowering their expenses. So that's what I've been doing. So let me see. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if my Wi-Fi. Well, I guess my Wi-Fi is on. You do have a new sweatshirt that says "Stay focused." Okay, I got to check it out. I don't know why. Are you in a? Let me see. No answer from the video guest. Why is it not letting him on? I wonder if he knows what he's doing. Sherrod, where are you at? Okay, so since we have a little what we call filler time here to have a discussion while I'm waiting on my co-host to get on here, I think I'm not sure if he knows how to accept the invite. So today is Thursday. What's up, Millie Mail from Indiana? All right, here we go. All right,
All right,
yay!
okay. Peace and blessings,
Peace and
Queen.
blessings. Peace and blessings.
What's good? What's good? What's good?
Everything is everything.
Can you
Yes,
hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear. It's Sherrod Muzill, everybody from Chicago, from the old city, Buckingham Palace, the big nice water fountain. And he is a truck driver. He drives over the road. So he helps people get their packages straight, on time. And I will let him explain to you, share with you why he said yes to Myecon and where he was in his mindset prior to getting into Myecon and where is his mindset now. So take it away, King. Go on and let us know who you are, where you're from, what you represent, and how you living.
All right, all right, all right. Thank you very much. You gotta excuse me if I'm not always looking at my phone because I am presently on the job. But I am from Chicago. Truck driver. Drive for. I don't want to get them the type of attention, but making real good money. But with all that being said, my financial situation just wasn't where I wanted it to be. Um, I was one of those happy to be receiving a income tax return, you know, always talking about improving my credit, raising my credit score, investing, doing a lot of talking, but not really putting in no type of labor, no type of effort. So uh, I'm always looking to save money. My wife, and they say I'm rather thrifty. I can squeeze a quarter and make the eagle cry. Okay, that's cool. If I can save some money, then um, I'm always looking to do that. So I wanted to make some investments in 2019. That was a goal that I set for myself. But again, looking at my finances, not being able to uh, make that come to fruition, working my job. 60, 70 hours a week, easy, easy. Running 500, 600 miles a day, easy. I could do that, with no problem. So that was taking a lot of time away from my family, being out here, and I was looking for a change. So a little while ago, I was just so happened to be on social media, Facebook in particular, and I saw a young lady talking about financial literacy and things of that nature sparked my interest in what she was talking about. So she was talking about income shifting and things of that nature. I'm really listening. I'm not looking, but I'm listening. So I'm like, okay, income shifting. That sounds kind of interesting. Well, what is it? So in the video, she went into details of shifting your income through readjusting or reevaluating your W-2, W-4, whichever one you get, if you got a job, looking at your federal withholdings. I'm like, oh, okay. So at the end of the video, the Rucker Report. You dig? At the end of the Rucker Report, I put in a comment. So, putting in a comment, she commented back, and she asked me if I wanted to see a video, if she could send me a video. Okay, you know, I'm out here rolling, so I can't look at it, but I can listen to it. So, she sent me the video, Myecon, and I listened to the video, and it really sparked my curiosity, so I started doing my due diligence and started looking at other videos.
That's where everything goes, in the mouth.
And I'm listening to him talking about Myecon, and so I started looking on YouTube at other Myecon videos and testimonials and etc. So I'm like, oh wow, I never heard of Myecon, but I want to learn more about it. So I got back with the Rucker Report, and we talked some more. So that was on I want to say a Wednesday. I told her I would get with her. I would join Friday, but listening to the videos and testimonials and things of that nature, it just clicked that basically this is everything that I was looking for, but I didn't know what the hell I was looking for. I knew that I wanted to improve my finances. I knew that I wanted to improve my credit. I knew I didn't want to go give my credit and personal information to some Joe Blow, Susie Jane, for them to do it and charge me $3, $5, $1,000 or whatever they felt like they wanted to charge to correct my credit. I knew I wasn't going that route. And the sealer for me was the investment. Learning investment strategies, learning investment terminology, learning things that I see on television. If you watch the little stroll on the television, you know what I'm saying? It's showing numbers and this, that, and the third, but you ain't, you know what I mean? If you don't know what it means, it don't really hold no interest to you. But to learn these things and to be exposed to these things, that was like the seal for me. So that Thursday evening, I made it home, got on my computer, and became a Myecon associate.
Okay, one more. Come on. Where you going, silly?
I had mentors in other arenas, but I never had a financial mentor, someone whom I can ask questions to. You know, when I wanted to learn, when I was studying religion, the Bible and the Holy Quran, I had mentors who taught me the understandings of the Bible and the Holy Quran. When I wanted to learn how to drive a truck, I had a mentor teach me how to drive a truck. So now that I'm learning finances, I have mentors whom I tap into to teach me, who are teaching me how to understand finances. And I must admit, family, that this has been one of the best investments that I have ever made. And again, I am forever thankful for Brandy, forever thankful for H. Cortez, Springer, and the whole host of mentors, Ryan, Andre, June, Mr. Ivy, to be able to say that you got a mentor who can teach you strategies of the wealthy, proven strategies, not something that you pulling out your butt and say, hey, how about if you just throw it over here and good luck? No, everything that I'm learning are proven strategies. It's just the same as to say that I have Bill Gates as a mentor. Ain't nobody gonna say, oh, Bill Gates don't know what the hell he talking about. You dig? Ain't nobody gonna, you know what I'm saying, say, oh, it's a scam. Bill Gates gonna scam you. Bill Gates is a pyramid scheme. So when I hear foolish people make foolish comments about something they don't have a clue about, I just say this. Do your due diligence and do your research. Research rewards the best of knowledge. If you want to understand the future, look at history. If you want to understand why you broke, look at your paycheck. Go to irs.gov/calculator, take your check like I did my check. Because I'm like, you know what I'm saying, I'm getting a return, but let me do this. So I watched June Caller's video, and he was like, okay, go to irs.gov calculator and use your check. I don't have to use nobody else's check. I can use my check stub. So I used my check stub, and I was overpaying the government almost $5,000 a year. Now, what could I do with $5,000 throughout the year? I need that, government. IRS, you don't need my money. The IRS tell you on their website, we don't want your money, but we'll take it. And I haven't met a person yet in 47 years of being on this side of the earth that'll walk past $20 on the ground. Show me one. Man, I have not met one yet. I'm looking. Show me one. Hell, I know truck drivers that damn near have a major accident because of $20 rolled past. Now, that's my take on my testimony. I'm still a baby. I'm still learning. It's a wonderful journey. It's a wonderful ride. I implore anyone, everyone that's on the timeline, whether it's yours, whether it's mine, whether it's get down. Let's change our lives by learning something we don't know or didn't know.
Bring back shot glass.
You know what I mean? We've been out here working, whatever job you work, whether it's a factory, whether you outside picking up paper, whether, it don't matter. You can be a doctor. If that's your primary income, 28 to 33% of that is going to the government. Ask yourself, what could you do with your money? What could help? Could that help you? Could that extra money on your check help you and your family? Pay off debt, invest, because we all going to retire from our job, or our jobs are going to retire us.
Those are facts.
What are we going to have in place when that happens? Why be reactive when we can be proactive? Let's take the time to put something in place just in case. Okay, you're a teacher. I don't wish no ill wills on anyone, but you're a teacher. Now let's say a child say that you touched them, whether it's true or not true. That stains you as a teacher. Now you cannot do that which you love. Now your bills are gonna suffer. Your family is going to suffer. Your livelihood suffers because you don't have anything in place to help you. That little unemployment check is what, half of what you was already making, and you couldn't survive on that what you was making. So now you got to try and live on half of that. So I mean, again, I don't wish ill will on nobody. That's not how I get out. But okay, you're a truck driver. I do me. I'm a truck driver. Been doing it almost a decade. Okay. I slip on some ice, break my leg. Am I still a truck driver? No. Do I got income coming in? Nah. No, I don't. Okay, my primary income is gone. So now I'm laid up with a broke leg, broke hip, broke back, broke neck, and I can't do that which I was doing to make my money. So my life and lifestyle will suffer because I have nothing to offset it. So we got to do some serious thinking, family. We can sit up and think that our jobs are ironclad. Okay. I was watching a video of this company. I'm not sure. I want to say it's like in Alaska somewhere because it was real cold wherever they was at. But these people had went to work and they work was gone. And they all was out there crying, talking about they didn't see it coming and the job was wrong. And they've been there 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. They pension gone, everything gone, the company gone. And what they gonna do? I look at Chicago, factories are closing and people standing outside these factory plants protesting, crying, oh, woe is me, what I'm gonna do? It happens, family. So are we gonna sit around and miss a golden opportunity that can help save your life, my life, our lives, our children's lives, our grandchildren's lives by breaking the cycle? Am I college educated? Yes, I am. Am I bragging? Nah. Am I doing what I went to school to do? Nope. I was a child psychology major. Am I a child psychologist? Nope. Do I miss it? Nope, not really. I love my people. I'm in the people saving business. I just haul freight for a profession. That's me. Anyone who knows me since I got in Myecon, what my conversation is about. Myecon. I want 500 personally. I want 500 families saved. I want 500 of my people to be their testimony that they joined Myecon and the benefits that they see, whether it's just income shifting, whether it's income shifting and improving their credit, whether it's income shifting, improving their credit, and investments. So Myecon, I'm, and don't take this the wrong way, but I'm a Myecon cheerleader. And I take personal offense when you attack Myecon with weak arguments and weak points of things that you don't know what the hell you're talking about. That's like you attacking me on Islam and you don't know what the hell you're talking about. So, on one hand, I would try and fade you. On another hand, if you keep running your mouth like a cab meter, I'm going to educate you. So, one way or the other, family, 2018 is coming to an end. Right now, we have a phenomenal offer for you. $27.95. Now, you can buy a whole bunch of nothing for $27.90. For $30, you can buy a whole bunch of nothing. Just think about it, family. Yesterday, what did you spend $30 on? You bought some food, you bought some coffee, and some snacks. $30 gone. Or you put $30 in your gas tank. Okay? To get you down the road. That's nice. That's cool. But you take $30 and invest that in your future. That's an investment. There are some cheap options of stocks you can invest in. That's cool. But what would be your rate of return on your investment, and what would you get? This, you get basically the world in your hands. You get an office. You get a mall. I'm done right there. I stop. I quit. Tap out. I got a mall. Do you got a mall? Or do you go to the mall? Get your money and get nothing back. I go to my mall. I'm getting what's that, 7? See, family, we gotta reorient our thinking. We can always we can always be that happy slave staying on that plantation. Or we can be a Harriet Tubman and get the hell on, get our own. So, what you want to do, family? The choice is yours. See, I can talk until I'm blue in the face. I don't do a lot of videos, but I share videos. You feel me? My coach H. Cortez get on and break it down so different.
So we are going to wrap this up here. My son is having a meltdown, and I am going to have to go tend to him. I know Sherrod kind of paused, probably going through a bad reception, but I want to thank each and every person for tuning in to the Rucker Report. I hope this helped you all, and I hope that you are, ready to make a significant change, because we are so wanting to see you win. We are willing to help you win, and we are wanting to educate you so that you will always win and never pay federal taxes again. You do have to file taxes. You don't have to pay the government $1 more than you have to. I absolutely don't plan on paying him no more money ever in life again. So, anyways, thank you, Sherrod, for sharing your before and after Myecon story and testimony. We want to thank you guys for tuning in today. Make sure you get your money up, because you absolutely can and you absolutely deserve to do just that. And if you're watching the replay, #replay. If you're watching it live, type in the comments city and state where you're tuning in from. If this is your first time watching the Rucker Report, type in 1 in the comments, and we are out.